Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's me, Lily, and today we are going to be making nature and animal make it minis. This is different than typical videos I do. Usually I do vlogs, but like I said in my previous video, I kind of want to have some pre-filmed videos. That way I can just kind of easily step into this next semester of school. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I have 5 Make It Mini Nature, and then I have 2 Make It Mini Animals, but we're only going to be doing one of them in this video and one of them in the next Make It Mini video, so stay tuned for that to see what I get there. I already opened up a Make It Mini Animal, and I got a bird, so I'm interested to see what I get in these. And yeah, from the Make It Mini Nature, really all I'm hoping for, I want to get the frog and I want to get the fish. Those are the ones I really want to get. So the way this video is going to go is I'm going to open it, you're going to get my reaction to what I got, and then you're going to see a time lapse of me doing that thing, and then you're going to see what it looks like after. So first we'll start off, actually we're going to do the animal last. So let's start with this. I'm so bad at opening these. Okay. Open it. So let's look at what we can collect first before I look at what all we got. So there is a lot of flowers, obviously. There's 2 different koi fish things, and then there is 1 frog, and then there's some carrots, lettuce, strawberries, tomatoes, basil, cilantro, and lavender, and then there's Delilah's, daisies, and I don't know the name of this flower, so I'm not even going to attempt right now, but there's that. So let us see what we got for the first one. Okay, so we have this, and then we also have Organic Mix Happy Grow. So it's definitely a flower of some sort, or not a flower, but like probably going to be a food of some sort. Here is a shovel, and then it also has some tongs and things. And then this will be what we are making. Carrots! We got some carrots for the first one. Alright, so let's make some carrots. Here is the carrot finished product. This is what it looks like. Just some carrots. Pretty basic. Let's open the next one. This is not opening satisfying at all. I'm hoping that I don't get any duplicates. I am interested to see if I do, because I got these from like 2 different people for Christmas. I got it for my mom and grandma, and basically they just used like Amazon links, so I linked a 3-pack and then a 2-pack. So I'm just interested, because I know like the 3-pack, it's probably not going to have all of the same. Oh my gosh, why can't I open this one up? Okay, it's another plant. But I already know it's different because it already has a different thing. So let's open this. Oh, I think we got the daisies. Here's the like vase you put it in. Again, you get a scoop. I'm not gonna open that right now though. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Okay, this is the water, quote unquote. And then these, I'm assuming, are the daisies. Yep. So cute. All right, so now let's make some daisies. here are the daisies. Okay, let's open the third one. Ooh, that was a good tear. That was a good tear. Please, I really want a koi fish or a frog. Like, that's literally, like, this is the main reason why I wanted these, is because I want a koi fish or a frog or both. And I have three left, including this one. So please, I just want my fish or frog. That was a good tear as well. Good signs, good signs. Oh, okay, okay. Ugh. It's another gardening one, I believe. Stop. I think I got a duplicate. I'm hoping that I don't get any duplicates. Yes. Okay, so I got the daisies again, which I will still make. I'll make 2 of them, but I don't need to unbox all of it because obviously you just saw exactly what I got in it. I tried to do this one different because obviously this is a duplicate, but I put this part like on the outside instead of in with the daisies, but here's some more daisies. Okay, we have 2 more tries to get a koi fish or a frog. Ugh, seriously, I'm gonna be so sad. Please, that's all I want. All I want is a koi fish or a frog. I would have only asked for Make It Mini Animals if I knew that they existed when I made my Christmas list, but I did not realize that they were a thing till after I had already made my list for everyone except for my aunt and uncle on my dad's side. When I made their list, because I made it a little bit closer to Christmas, I realized that they were a thing. So I would have gotten only Make It Mini Animals if I knew. But, oh, I think I got strawberries. Oh, tomatoes. Okay, so I got, it comes with a little crate, and then it also comes with a little, what is that called? I don't even know what it's called, but one of those things. The shovel comes with fruit and veggie grow. And then, let's see what's in here. Oh, it comes with like this little tower thing. Because we got, some, oh, come on now. Come on. Okay, come on. Hold on. Okay, because we got some tomatoes. So, now, let's make some tomatoes. Here are the tomatoes, and I wasn't actually gonna take off any tomatoes from this one, but they kept falling, so didn't have a choice. This is my last chance to have a fish or a frog. Please. I got strawberries, I think. No! I got tomatoes again. more tomatoes. This one I tried to do different again because obviously. And I got 3 tomatoes from this one. Now I'm going to open the Make It Mini Animals. I kind of just like all of them. Honestly, I'm just hoping to not get the axolotl personally. It's not that I have like anything against the axolotl. It's just I would rather have any of the other pets more than an axolotl. The hedgehogs are really cute. I wouldn't be mad about the hedgehogs. I think there's a turtle. I think the turtle's cute too. Okay. I'm not gonna look at what's inside yet. Let's look at the options I could get. Alright, so there's 2 different guinea pigs. There's a hedgehog. There's 2 different hamsters. There's a bunny. There's axolotl. There's a chameleon, a gecko, a cockatiel, or a teal, cockatiel, I don't know. But I got that one already. Then there's lovebirds and then a macaw. So let's see. Okay. So far we have a little box. Oh, and a feeder, I think. Here, let me, like a little feeder. Okay. We got a hamster ball. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's a little hamster ball. Let me just say, when I was little, if I had Barbies, my Barbies would eat this up. Like, come on now. There's these. Okay, now we have a hamster. Also, this, which is just like it's the same thing, the scoop and stuff. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, literally so cute. I feel so maternal towards it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, let's do the best thing and the last thing. The hamster. Here's the little hamster. I don't know what I'm gonna name it. Maybe I'll have you guys pick a name. But this one's my favorite one from this. Honestly, I would say my favorite out of this video, the hamster's my favorite. Out of all of them that I got, I would say the daisies are my favorite because I actually got to use resin. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, it didn't go how I planned or wanted it. Obviously, I would have really loved to have a koi fish or a frog as well, but you can't always get what you want, so it's fine. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye, guys.